Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about
division models.
part 3. Basically, it's all about division. Let's go started. Division by groups model 1 again. So answer the following questions in the division group
and
model.
If you didn't notice, in part 2, there was 4 boxes, but now there's 5.
Okay. So what is the question? Choose the division model that describe the model. So how can we do that, Lina?
Okay. So since there is 5, there's one back there. I don't know if you guys could see it, but
it's 1 is 45 divided by 5.
Yeah.
Other is 24 divided by 5. And 1 is 20 divided by 2. So which one is the right answer?
I think the right answer is about 45 divided by 5.
And why you think so?
Because there's 5 groups, right?
5 groups. And then each group.
Then I know that 9 times 5 equals 45. And I know that there's 9 in each group.
Yeah.
So it should be 45.
You're right. Yeah. So there is a 5 groups of 9.
So let's see.
It's 45.
There's a check mark over there. It's black.
Okay. Let's see the next one. So divide the pins into groups of 2.
Here, I'll do that.
So 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9.
No.
So now say the division sentences.
Yep.
So since do you remember how many groups you had?
40.
No. This one you just did
9.
it. Right?
9 and then 2 in each group.
Yeah, so there is 9 groups up to
9 groups of 2
is what?
18 divided by 9 equals 2, and then 18 divided by 2 equals 9.
Great, good job. Okay, let's see the answer.
Right.
There is no answers, but that's okay. So the next question is divide into groups of 5 and make the division sentences. So 5, how many? 1, 2, 3.
And then there's
And
only 3
remaining.
groups, and then 3 remaining left.
Yeah.
That aren't using.
3 groups of 5 plus 3 remaining.
How many groups are there? 3. There was 3. 3.
Okay. And how many are there left over?
3.
3. Exactly. Let's see the umbrella turn. So divide into groups of 2.
2.
Yeah. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7.
Yeah. 8,
8,
9, and 1 remaining.
Yep.
So let's see the question.
This one.
So how many groups are there? 9.
We counted.
Yeah, and then how many left over?
Oh, this.
So count the numbers of objects and divide them into groups according to the number indicated. Find the number of groups and leftovers to complete this table. Can you find it now, Lina? Let's see. Oh yeah,
So
you have
these
it.
are the numbers that we're gonna put in groups. So first is a 6.
Yeah. So 6 groups of dogs.
Excuse me. Turkeys.
Okay, I can make it that side.
Okay, sure.
So
6.
4.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, there you go. And
Keep
then
on going
4.
until it's done. Yes.
Okay. It's a little bit hard.
Yeah, I know.
Where is it? There you go.
Right.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups.
6 groups of 6, and then there's 4
remaining.
remaining.
Now do the 12.
Yep. Next. do the 12. Oops, wrong place.
Okay.
Then now the 12.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So, oh yeah, just all three, right?
So you have
3 groups and then
4
4
remaining.
are
remaining.
remaining.
Mhm.
Oh, why do I keep on doing
Now 1.
that? I know that there's 40, so easy.
Was there 40?
Yep, there is 40.
Mhm.
And then 0 remaining.
So if you do 1, 1, 1, 1, it's 40.
Yeah.
Okay, so now 2.
Yeah, now 2. Since 20 plus 20 equals 40, you just need to minus 20.
Yeah.
So it is 20 and then 0 are remaining.
Yeah. And how about the 10?
And then the 10,
So total is 40.
yes, totals
40.
40.
40 divided by 10.
40.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to do that.
Yeah. See, if you need a division, you don't have to do
And then
each and every.
0.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah.
Next, let's see.
Well,
Yeah.
that's it.
Thank you. It was a
We're
really nice
watching
one.
Lena's pretend play.
Yeah. Bye. See you next time.